Hi everyone, take two. This is the second one. The first one didn't really, I don't know, something went wrong, and yeah, but this is a mystery box from the Spider Shop. It's a £30 mystery box, and I asked for spiders and scorpions. So and it was double box. It come in another box, and I've opened this one, but we don't know what's inside yet. So that was lucky. But because on the first video I was just about to dive in and it cut out for some strange reason. I don't know. But as you can see, oh yeah, I introduced number 5 by the way as well. Look, you can see number 5, all in her glory, always. But beyond, and here is St John's Church, and I may have told you in the past. You might have seen it in the past, but St John's Church was completed in 1863 at a cost of, wait for it, a massive £6,000, and it was paid by public subscription. And the clock was installed a couple of years later, or yeah, a bit more than a couple, 1887, for the Queen Victoria's Golden Jubilee, and the chimes in 1897 to mark her Diamond Jubilee. The west window was designed by Walter Tower of the Kent School of Design. Yeah, wow, that is pretty cool stuff. And it was built by the architect Toby Berry in the early decorated style and built of local made bricks and tiles. Well, that's nice to know. So it's all Burgess Hill. That is cool. That is cool, isn't it? I think so. But you come here to join me for this £30 mystery box. And it won't be no rehousing today. I'll be just getting them out, having a look, making sure they're all right, and I will rehouse accordingly. I might make another video of that, and yeah, we'll do that. I mean, make sure everybody's all right and happy in here, and yeah. So let's get on with this £30 mystery box. Oh yeah, and if you want to play silly buggers, you know, like I do sometimes, I mean, you'll put these in a compost bin and they just melt away. Yeah. I like being silly. They stick together. Yeah. Yeah, like two, like, you know, like peas in a pod. Yes. I've got a bag here, so, oh right, I can see the first pot. Oh, it's a little one. And it's a sling. We'll look at that in a minute. Right. Oh, another one. It's a S. I think this one, because it says, let's have a look. A 1A. We'll have to look at these in a minute. And another one, Oh, it's a a brack, no. It's, we'll get them out. Oh, blimey. Yeah, I mean, I've got the other. Oh, that's the, what's the name? I've got one of these. Yeah, dwarf, and the bunny peas, bunny, what do you call them? Oh, oh, a T Gigs. Oh, this is cool, man. This is cool. Oh, man. Right, let's see if that's it. I mean, oh, there's the, I call these the tea bags. Quite warm. Go in there. We're just checking, so 2, 4, I've got 6 pots. I'm hoping the June is replaced a June Scorpion. My June Scorpion. Well, not mine, but yeah, that seems to be about it. Right, so we'll get that over there. And as you can see, we've got them all here. And what we do, right, we'll start with the bunny peed. Yeah. You can't, what, slings. See, look, I'm on their site. Slings. Where are we? Oh God, stop it. Right, this is K bunny peeds. If we can find it, he hasn't got. I don't think he's got a search bar, has he? Oh come on, not this one. No. Becky Power. What? K bunny. Yeah, I'm trying to look. I can't pronounce these words, you see, so I'm trying to help you know, help myself as well. But I know that's the. That's not it. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll go there. We'll go. Where are you? Oh, Google. We'll go Google. We'll go. Oh, come on, Google. Don't let me down. Right. Okay. Search. Yes, it's K. Might be R U. There we go. Got it. Yes, right, okay, we'll bring that up. And here we go. Exactly the same one as I got. Yeah. Tropical wet climate. Yeah. Well, that's cool. Yeah, I've got already exactly the same, which is good. Because the other one, yes, it's, yeah. Right, that's cool. Oh, what you doing, you donut? Right, right, that one's been done. Yeah. And the next one is a H. I bet you lot are saying what an idiot I am. I can't pronounce it. But we will attempt to log it in. H Spinnaker? No. H-A-N. A-N. I think that's a G. O. Nothing's coming up. No. Sorry everybody, I can't really, right, we'll do this one. And in a way, these slings, which is pretty cool. Right, we'll go for A. Chocolate, straight in, look at that. And, oh, what a beauty. Yeah, oh, it's a Brazilian white knee. Yeah, Brazilian white knee. It's a 1 centimetre sling. So, that's cool. Right, that's what's the name. I don't know what that is. That's a G. What's the name? Galata, which is a Brazilian white knee, which I haven't got. I think it could be a, what's the name? We'll try this one. Yeah. It's, oh, what are you doing? Oh, L. Not sure if that's P. A. Got it up. Yes. Identified another one. Wow. The salmon. This one is a 3 centimetre Brazilian salmon pink bird-eating spider. I've already got one. It's a large patch of Brazilian salmon pink bird-eating spider, simply known as the salmon pink, or the LP, which that one's in its own little cage and it's cool. Right, so we'll go with something, right, that's cool, we know what they are, so you lot are most probably going, oh you idiots, we know what it is. And this one is an S, oh come on, only one, S, straight in there, no, Esmus, yeah, M-E-S, I don't know, M-E, we'll go with that one because I'm pretty sure it's that one. This one is, I don't know. Come on, any pictures? No, I can't. And a T-Gigs. Let's have a look at this one. A T-Gigs. Oh God, forget it. I can't even speak right.
Here are some pictures that match.
Thank you. Right. You lot are kicking yourselves, I bet you. Again. Right, and I found it. And it's a beautiful one. Gears. Orange tree spider. Sweet. It's an arboreal. I've already got the purple tree spider, which I've had from a sling. Very easy to look after, and yeah, I'm just yeah. So yeah, all in all, 2, 4. I got 6 for 30 quid, which will sum all that up later. But I mean, as you can see, at the moment they're slings, which is handy, and yeah, and we'll find some nice little pots for these to go in, and we will sort them. Yes, we'll give you a closer look at them all. If I can, there we go. See, look, there's that dwarf, which I've got. It's a 2 centimetre. That's a 3 centimetre. That's a 1 centimetre. I like that. It's going to be my favourite. 1 to 2 centimetres. I'm not sure what this one is, but yeah. But yes, and what we'll do, if I can just get this camera down a bit. There. We'll have got to have a quick look. I mean, I'm not sure. I know a way to do this. Right. Well, I did think I knew a way. Can't really see. Right, what I do is I'll find the appropriate housing, and yeah, and we'll do the rehousing, because I feel a lot happier when they're contained. I'm not sure. I mean, they're slings, so they'll be pretty skittish. So I want something to, yeah, safeguard. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you, Spider Shop. This is Mystery Finder 4. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram. Thumbs it all up. Press a like, share, subscribe. Yeah, stay tuned for her rehousing. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you, Spider Shop. Well happy with this. And yeah, this is Mystery Finder 4. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. And thank you for watching Burgess Hill, St John's Church. Thank you.